In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft OneDrive to Make.com in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to streamline your file management tasks by integrating OneDrive with Make.com, you're in the right place. By following these few simple steps, you'll be set up in no time. First, begin by logging into Make.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. This platform allows you to automate digital tasks, which can save you time and effort in managing your files across different services. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Scenarios. This is where all your automated sequences will live. Next, look for the option to create a new scenario. This is where the magic happens. Within this new scenario, search for OneDrive. This brings up triggers and actions related to Microsoft OneDrive that we can use to build our workflow. Once OneDrive is selected, click on the Watch Files option. This is a trigger that will notify Make.com whenever there's a change in your OneDrive files, which is crucial for this integration setup. Allowing Make.com to monitor changes means that anytime a new file is added or modified, your automated processes kick into gear. Following this, click on what Make.com refers to as My OneDrive webhook. A webhook acts like a link between your OneDrive and your new scenario, allowing Make.com to receive updates from OneDrive in real time. Click Save, ensuring that your settings remain intact. For new users, at this step you might be prompted to log into your OneDrive account to establish the connection between OneDrive and Make.com. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to grant access. Now, with the connection established, set the trigger to activate immediately as data arrives. This means your scenario will run every time OneDrive detects a change, ensuring no time is wasted between detecting and processing changes. Remember to save your progress along the way to avoid losing any setup configurations. Then activate your scenario. This step kicks off the automation, making sure that the link between your OneDrive and Make.com is live and working as intended. To see your automation in action, click Run. You should then go directly to your OneDrive account, test copying and pasting a file, and observe how Make.com handles this change. Finally, navigate back to Make.com, where you can verify that your scenario executed properly. If all went well, you should see the file that was just added to OneDrive reflecting within the Make.com setup. With these steps, you've successfully connected Microsoft OneDrive to Make.com. This powerful integration simplifies your file management tasks, giving you more time to focus on what matters most.